Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy, your house trends PH. So your go-to-go for real estate tips, no? Yung ating YouTube channel, condo tours, and smart investment ideas here in the Philippines. No, for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Let us explore the rising gem here in Laguna, which is Sadia by Greenfield City. And is it the next best place to invest, live, work, and let's find out, no? So, si Sadia is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, often called as future Makati of the South. Why? Because of booming businesses, parks, no, schools, market na nakikita nyo sa likuran ko, kaliwa, kanan, and especially sa mga hotel. And when it comes accessibility, malapit ito sa Eaton Greenfield exit, Santa Rosa exit, no, and Mamplasan exit. And isa pa sa mga landmark, malapit ito sa DLSU, UST, Technopark, no. So, when it comes weekend destination, andito si Paseo, Premier Hotel, Laguna Central, which is located yung pinaka-showroom natin. So, Sadia, no? Ano nga ba yung developer ni Sadia? So, Greenfield Development Corporation, no? Yung behind dito, alam naman natin na kapag si Greenfield, yung pinaka-goal natin is about smart investment, sustainable communities where green spaces are our priority. So, when it comes, what sets Greenfield apart, no? When it comes commitment, long-term, no? They don't just build condos, no? They designed a lifestyle and ecosystem. So, mapapansin nyo, kapag pumunta kayo sa Sadia, imagine living here with trees, no? Open spaces, pathways, no? Building exterior, no? Na mapapansin nyo. And isa pa na sa nagustuhan ko doon, meron tayong jogging path for the lifestyle, no? Kung health conscious ka, pwede kang mag-walking. Sabi nga, no, ang isa sa nagandahan ko kay Sadia is 80% open space, more trees, and breathing room, and more peace. So yung condo natin is we have a balcony. So it is a perfect if you're tired from crowded city and malapit lang, no, kahit suburban living, malapit ka sa community, no, hindi siya yung kumbaga kahit nakatira ka sa city, talaga namang nature friendly. So when it comes amenities sa Sadia, we have a clubhouse, lounge area na pwede nyong makasama or get together with your family, and we have resort style swimming pool na ongoing na ginagawa na. So makikita nyo yan dito, yung ongoing natin, especially the basketball court para sa mga guy na mahilig sa sports, indoor gym, no, jogging path, sabi ko kanina, and landscape gardens, no. And isa yan sa nagustuhan ko kay Sadia. Whether you want to unwind, work out, or just enjoy the sunset with your family, Sadia has a spot for you. It is designed for real estate, lifestyle, comfort, and not just aesthetic, no? Let's recognize the nature beauty of Sadia. So, for today's video, no, when it comes natural lighting, efficient space sa condo natin, we have a cozy balcony view. Everything feels like intentional. So, sa mga gustong magpa-exterior, interior, sa pinaka-condo natin, we have services din na pinoprovide. So, kagandahan kay Sadia, starting from the floor area of 24.29 square meter with balcony and bird type, magagawa mo yung gusto mong style, no? It's either magkaroon ka ng loop bed, no? Or magkaroon ka ng bed agad, going down. So, open layout tayo, yung isa sa kagandahan sa kanya. So, when it comes payment terms, no, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, every 15 units nagkakaroon tayo ng price increase. Kaya naman sabi ko, if you are an OFW, working abroad, or starting family, or naghahanap ng magandang investment, Sadia is you might consider because every 15 units nagkakaroon tayo ng price increase. And imagine, no, kahit hindi ka pa nakatira or nakatira ka na, kumikita yung property mo. So, when it comes sa long-term investment, good din siya. And long-term value, talagang perfect si Sadia. and nag-appreciate talaga siya over the time. And sa mga naging client ko, sa mga naging previous client ko and nagpagawa ng condo, isa sa nagustuhan nila sa Sadia is yung nag-stand out sa kanila yung security ng village and greenery, and it really feels like home. Sabi ko nga, Sadia by Greenfield City, is it worth it or absolutely okay to invest? Kasi syempre hard-earned money nyo yun. And masasabi kong yes, it's a wise investment and a peaceful retreat all in one. Sabi ko nga, this is within reach. Imagine living here in Sadia, pagising mo, kaliwat kanan yung community, yung commercial hubs sa area mo, and ang daming just walking distance na amenities, no? And sabi ko nga na sa mga investor na talaga naghahanap ng perfect for investment, Sadia is masasabi natin a great opportunity, no? Plus value when it comes sa consistent growth ng community. From Sadia Tower 1, 2, 3 na naubos na, ready for occupancy na yung iba. Ngayon, Sadia Tower 4 na yung available natin, ganun kabilis yung pinaka-inventory natin. So, good thing naman dito for those who are looking for a developer's price, we have it. And when it comes sa pre-owned property na katulad ni Sadia na below market value, meron din tayo niyan, no? So, kagandahan dito, both naman is hawak natin and both naman is inaasikaso natin. For those starting for investment, masasabi kong perfect for pre-selling kayo guys dahil stretchable ang payment terms natin up to 36 months kapag si Sadia Tower 4 yung kinuha nyo. But sa mga may ipon na talaga, meron na talagang funds, and they want to purchase a ready for occupancy para habang naguhulog ka ng amortization, bumabalik agad sa'yo yung pinaka kita mo, no? Or masasabi mong less sa binabayaran mo kasi may nagbabayad na ng amortization mo. Or kundi kaya kung end user ka and talaga namang yung daughter mo is nag-aaral sa DLSU, sa De La Salle University, and other major university na gusto mo is talagang pagbayad mo titiray na, we have a pre-owned. So kagandahan nga lang sa pre-owned, kung meron ka naman talagang pera, why not, no? Dahil kung makakamura ka. Kasi right now, our current price here at Sadia is around 5 million, 5.2 million, and our secondary market is around 4 million only, no? So, good thing dito, syempre, magkaiba sila ng benefits. So, when it comes sa mga services naman, paano mo mapapatransfer yung name mo from old owner to new buyer, andito kami to assist you. And when it comes exterior, interior, sa mga hindi from interior pala, no? Kasi karaniwan naman sa Sadia is bird type siya, and hindi mo alam kung paano or kung ano gagawin mo sa unit mo, paano mo siya ma-maximize. Syempre, yung every space niyan sa Sadia is worth it siya. Kumbaga may value siya. Every space na makikita mo may value siya, and mapapaisip ka paano mo siya ma-maximize, ano yung kaya mong gawin doon sa unit mo. So, ito nga, sabi ko sa inyo, pupunta tayo mamaya sa pinaka-showroom to showcase to you the studio unit, ano yung pwede nyong maging idea na pwedeng gawin from one bedroom din. So one bedroom, we have a combined unit only, no? So, pwede niyong pagsamahin yung studio unit para magkaroon kayo ng one bedroom. So, from fully furnished, makikita niyo din yung pinaka-bird type and new tile na ino-offer ngayon ni Sadia Tower 4. So, marami tayong updates, no? Marami tayong pag-uusapan mamaya kasi from 1 to 2 months marami nang nangyari. Dahil, alam niyo ba, last week nagkaroon tayo, this week or kung kailan ko to ma-upload, recently nagkaroon tayo ng groundbreaking ceremony para sa Sadia Tower 4 na sinisimulan na. So kanina nga sabi ko, ang isa sa amenities natin na parang resort style yung ginawa ni Sadia is yung pinaka clubhouse amenities natin na ongoing na din ginagawa. So imagine if you are investor na nag-invest ka ngayon and hintayin mo lang yung 6 to 8 months, gawa na agad yung clubhouse. Imagine the price increase value ng property mo dahil community na si Sadia. So wag mo na hintayin matayo ang Sadia Tower 5 dahil baka it's just 7 million na, no? Napanood mo to, nagkaroon ka ng idea, why not to contact us and to give you an idea, a sample computation, and updated inventory dito sa Sadia. So I'm very excited to showcase yun, kaya naman puntahan na natin natin ngayon sa Sadia Showroom sa Laguna Central. Kaya naman, andito tayo ngayon, no? Talagang nasa labas tayo ngayon para mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kalapit. So I said earlier, no, pupunta tayo ngayon sa studio unit which is with a floor area of 24.90 square meters. So unang bubungan sa inyo yung ating kitchen area. So mapapansin nyo mamaya sa ating mga fully furnished, we have a built-in cabinet. For now, this is a bird type or tinatawag natin as east where is turnover. So ito yung nasabi ko or nabanggit ko kanina sa vlog. From Sadia Tower 4, we are offering and meron tayong mga ongoing, no, na developments, and isa pa dito, we have a new tile update for Sadia Tower 4. So ayan, medyo mas aesthetic siya, no, from before, no. Tara, pasukin natin to. So here, our kitchen area. So ang kagandahan dito, mamaximize mo siya from the cabinets, no? Ayan. So for those nakakuha na or na-turn over na yung unit, ang ginagawa nila is nagpapagawa sila ng built-in cabinet, and this is the located for refrigerator. So dito magkakaroon ka ng idea dahil this is open layout. So yung iba, kagandahan dito, nagustuhan nila dahil sila yung nagde-decide kung ano yung pwedeng gawin nila sa unit. Pero bago tayo pumunta dyan, si Sadia has a one toilet and bath. And kagandahan dito, spacious siya dahil we have a provision for washing machine and toilet and bath. And karaniwang ginagawa dito is nagkakaroon tayo ng sliding glass door para hindi tumalsik kapag naliligo ka. So yan yung mga idea na pwede mong gawin. So here sa ating open layout, this is a console living area na tinatawag. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng TV area. And this is dining area or built-in cabinet. And this is the master's bedroom or queen, no? It depends kung ano yung kailangan nila. Especially sa mga working abroad, BA, no? Ang ginagawa nila sa unit na invest nila is loft type style, no? So, meaning, sa pinakababa nila is office area, and nilalagyan na din nila dito ng built-in cabinet to maximize. Kumbaga, yung pundasyon ng loft type nila is ginagawa nilang walk-in closet or cabinet and extra space for working. And then, from the second floor ng kanilang area, from the second, yun yung pinaka-bed nila. So, maraming paraan to maximize your unit, no? Especially sa mga virtual assistant or work from home na talagang dun sila palagi, no? Nandun talaga sila sa araw-araw. And they want to enjoy sa unit na nakuha nila. So, kagandahan dito, even hindi siya included. So, ito ay meron tayong open para sa aircon. So, may provision tayo for the aircon. And ang kagandahan dito kay Sadia, we have a balcony. So, for other property or other project na binibenta natin is usually square type siya. So, isa din ito sa advantage ni Sadia kung bakit siya fast selling because of the balcony. And sabi ka nga, you can really enjoy the open spaces and greenery and view especially. So, for those who didn't know, Sadia has a different view. Kung ikaw ay mahilig sa green spaces, syempre ang gusto mong kunin is Tagaytay view, or di kaya gusto mo ay magandang panahon or makakalanghap ka ng hangin, pwede ka naman makakuha ng amenity view, no? So marami tayong way, it depends on your own option. So yun lang naman, ito lang yung pinaka-as where is turnover natin. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea, and especially makapag-decide kayo kung studio unit ba kukunin ko or combine yun. So ngayon puntahan natin yung fully furnished to give you a fully idea kung ano yung pwedeng gawin sa unit. Tara! Thus, andito tayo sa ating combined unit with a floor area of 49.80 square meters. Siyempre, from young professional or sapat sa kanila yung studio unit, or for those who did not know naman sa mga kakakasal pa lang or partners, relationship to 1 to 2 person, ito yung isa sa mga nagugustuhan nila. Siyempre, they want a bigger unit katulad nito. So, pagpasok niyo dito, same lang din naman ang studio unit. We have a kitchen area. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito is much bigger from the studio. So, kaliwat kanan yung pinaka-kitchen area natin. And especially talagang sa mga love talaga yung pagluluto, katulad ko, talagang ma-enjoy ko to. So, here from our combined unit, fully furnished, we have here a built-in cabinet which is not included upon turnover. But to give you an idea, so ito lang yung makakuha natin, and then kagandahan dito, magkakaroon kayo ng island, no? Syempre, kung ako yung makakakuha ng unit, I want to maximize in kahit anong space pa yan, syempre gusto kong ma-maximize, no? So ako, maglalagay ako dito ng island, no? Pwede kang preferring for food for your loved ones, no? So yan yung mga idea natin. So here, pwede ka pang magkaroon ng mga family picture with your family, and another sofa area here dito, or lagayan ng shoes, no? Shoes shelves pa yung mga tawag doon. So, kung ano pa yung pwede nyo gawin doon. So, this is our dining area. Sabi nga kanina, it's either good for 2 person, 3 to 4 person. It's either, it's up to you. Kung gusto mo, 6 kasi, gawa ng family mo, mahilig bumisit sa bahay. So, perfect siya, no? So, here, our living area, ang favorite ng lahat, dahil upon here, sitting here, no, talagang you really enjoy watching your favorite movie, Netflix movie, no, yung mga top 10 favorite movies natin, talagang here yung perfect space natin. Kaya ito, isa to sa mga ina-investan ng mga client namin. Upon turnover ng unit is yung pinaka-living area kasi doon sila nagsasama-sama ng pamilya. So, syempre, in every unit naman, we have a balcony. So, good thing dito dahil 2 units yung kinuha mo, 2 din yung balcony mo. So, pwede kayong mag-coffee area dyan. This one is coffee area. This one naman is work. No? Kapag nasisikipan ka na sa loob ng kwarto mo, kundi kaya masyado kang pagod sa work, you can unwind dun sa other door na may access ka sa bedroom unit. So, here is the hallway. So, meaning, andito yung toilet and bath natin. Yan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kaninang glass door na kapag naligo ka, syempre, you want to maintain yung pinaka-dry tiles natin. So, here yan. So, this is the toilet and bath. And usually, sa mga tina-turn over, we have a built-in cabinet dito sa baba and then mirror. Minsan pa nga yung mirror, pag binuksan nyo, may cabinet pa siya. So, iilan lang yan sa mga tips na ginagawa ng client namin. So, here is the washing machine area. Ayan. Kaya naman sabi ko sa inyo, hindi biro, talagang malaki yung pinaka-toilet and bath nila. Ayan. At ang kagandahan dito, syempre pag babae, syempre feel na feel mo yung walk-in closet. Katulad na lang nito. So, kagandahan dito, napa-maximize niya yung layout niya, yung pagka-combine unit niya dahil hindi lang siya extra 1 bedroom, kundi meron ka talagang space for your collection bag, clothes, no, na talagang ma-maintain. So, kung ako, pwede mo pa itong lagyan ng partition, talagang parang private talaga yung pinaka-walk-in closet mo para sa visitor. So, here is another console or office area. Pwede extended ng living area mo. Pwede kang magpalagay ng TV dito and watching together with your loved ones, no? And this is the office area, syempre sa mga virtual assistant natin dyan. And if you're investor and isa sa mga client target mo is yung mga work from home, perfect to dahil andito na lahat, no? Pwede ka ditong magtrabaho, pwede din sa labas. So, depende sa'yo. So, here is our 1 bedroom. Ayan, pinagkaiba nga. Ito yung pinaka-balcony natin and mapapansin nyo, may partition tayo. So, from bird type, open layout, and this one, you have a own space for yourself, for your loved ones na gusto ng privacy or they want to maximize the unit, no, dahil end user ka. Syempre, kung end user ka and looking for a long term and may budget ka naman, why not to buy the combined unit? So yun lang guys. I hope you enjoy. And Sadia is part of project of my Greenfield City, but Greenfield City has a different development, no, na sabi ko nga ang goal nila is lifestyle, sustainability, yun yung kagandahan sa kanila, and long term, no? Kumbaga, hindi lang sila condominium, we have here a house and lot, an exclusive lot, katulad na lang ni Pramana Residential Park, yung kauna-unahang project ni Greenfield, early 2000s, na sinundan naman ni Solan Residences. So, Solan Residences, it offers a much bigger lot from Pramana. So, we have a corner lot, and especially siya, di mawawala ang ating secondary market. So marami tayong available unit dyan starting from 5.5 million guys, makakakuha ka na ng lote, no? So message nyo lang ako. And then, last is the Trabat, very exclusive residential subdivision that is offers a minimum cut of 550 square meter. So, yun yung kagandahan natin. And malapit na siya, dami na din nagpapagawa. And syempre, habang ginagawa pala, still ongoing pa din yung mga clubhouse natin. Masasabi kong hindi ka pa huli. Dahil pre-selling is a good or perfect investment. And syempre, sa mga viewers natin dyan na looking for a perfect investment, grab nyo yung opportunity dahil marami pa tayong available. So I hope you enjoy our quick tour from Vertype to fully furnished, and especially napakita ko sa inyo yung combined unit, no? If you are interested and you want to know more about this project, contact us at 639-55468-2540. So again, this is Joy, your House Trends PH, and visit nyo lang yung page natin at pag-usapan natin ano ang next investment mo. Bye!